Gary's furnace and AC, looking at replacing both. So we've got our exhaust vent coming up there in 3-inch, fresh air on there. Did a tankless, and technically we got like water heater fluid on down here as well. Hot station all runs to a 4-drain here in the center. AC is facing the other side, so let's turn that around and get the furnace and AC to face the same side. Down into a switch, gas line, got a drip leg, down over here. Thermostat wire on the top. Turn drop is a good size, but this size of the should be up on the fan. So we'll see if we've got enough room to do so. What size needs. Just 5 bottom. Side. DC faces the other side. Line the set comes over here, so we can just extend it. Everything's on the same side, like a shovel. Sensation for the boat comes around the back. Close to it. Closet. There's the basement stairs. Right here, the closet. The main room area.